Our mission is to provide our customers with beautiful beds and mattresses made to their specification that they will enjoy for many years to come. And most important, to deliver it to their door at a time that suits them. When we first started the company, we used a combination of software applications and spreadsheets to manage finance, suppliers, plan production, and orders. But we found the manual input and disparate systems was time-consuming and impeding growth. We discovered Beas manufacturing application based on SAP Business One. It has everything we need to run our bespoke, made-to-order manufacturing business. Because we make all our beds and mattresses to order, there are many variations, such as frame and headboard design, size, mattress material, filling, and spring type. That means production planning involves many bill of materials. On top of that, we need to match the supply of raw materials to production and provide an accurate delivery date. Beas Manufacturing lets us do all of that and much more. We have complete control over material planning, order management, cost analysis, item traceability, through to final delivery to the customer. Together, Beas and SAP Business One has transformed our business, giving us the opportunity to provide excellent customer service and focus on growing the business.